Helpful note number 1, optimal waist fit. If a patient has a size differential between the waist and hips, the brace is designed with 2 detachable belt wings that can be easily repositioned to achieve optimal fit. Helpful note number 2, trim the brace. Excess material on the belt wing can be trimmed once proper fit has been confirmed. Helpful note number 3, belt pads. Slide belt wing through the elastic strap on the belt pad so the anti-slip material is facing the patient. Repeat on the opposite belt wing. Helpful note number 4, QR code. More information about this product can be found by simply scanning the QR code found on the sewn-in label.